I'm Chloe Evans. I studied at Llandarcy Academy of Sport doing Level 3 Performance and Excellence, and I came out with triple distinction stars. I'm really happy with this as I can get into Cardiff Met, my chosen uni.
My name's Jacob and I studied Level 3 IT. I'm happy that I got 2 distinctions on the distinction star, and I'm off to Swansea Uni to study more IT.
The facilities were really good for sport-wise because I had a lot of different opportunities to play different sports which I'd never really done before.
The college provided me with a variety of software, including Adobe and 3D modelling software, which greatly helped me in my assignments.
The bursary really helped me a lot in education and sport because it helped me get further in my sporting achievements and in my educational achievements.
I chose to study at NEAF because it was a great location close to the town and offered a great IT course.
I applied for the Gold Young Ambassador and I got that. In the long run that has helped me a lot because the university can see that we tried our best to get as many kids involved in sport around our community as possible.
When applying to uni, my personal tutor helped a lot with the application process, making it a lot easier.
All the lecturers at Llandarcy were really helpful, especially Helen Jones, who helped me not just in my educational but in my netball. So I would like to thank her a lot for getting me to where I am now.
Overall, my college experience was great. I met a lot of new people who were interested in the same things as me.
I've met some really good friends that I will stick with for probably life.
And if I could give one piece of advice for people coming to college would be don't be afraid to express your interests, because there's a diverse amount of people here.
My advice for the people coming to college would just be to enjoy it, don't stress too much over it, and just enjoy your experience and meet new friends.